The renovation market is becoming more and more important. Critical substrates, which are damaged during use over many years and are no longer load-bearing, are very common. In these cases, a renovation after deconstructing an existing substrate becomes a highly expensive exercise. There are various reasons why deconstruction and renovation may be difficult. The area is difficult to access, or the costs of deconstruction and building up a new load-bearing substrate may exceed the cost for the renovation itself. Usually, in situations like this, the preferred recommendation is deconstruction and to build up a new substrate prior to the installation of flooring. But what are the possibilities if deconstruction is not an alternative in these critical substrate situations? For example, in case of dormant, non-structural cracks, floor breakouts, the transition between different types of substrates, inadequate load-bearing capacity. Successful renovations require well-thought-out specification work in advance. Considering the various subfloor situations and the specified load-bearing capacities after the planned renovation, not all old substrates can be renovated. The fiber-reinforced, synthetic gypsum-based self-leveling compound, Schonox APF, combined with Schonox Renotex, a unique multi-axial and alkaline-resistant glass fiber fabric, was designed for exactly that purpose. Inspecting a subfloor situation as he's doing will certainly not lead to the best possible result. Regardless of which system components will be specified and installed, following the product data sheets is necessary in order to achieve the best possible end results. If rooms are to be changed and walls to be moved, wall channels have to be filled in properly. To save time and cost in doing so, Schonox SEZ Plus, a ready mixed filling mortar, can be used to fill wall channels or larger breakouts. The next day, Schonox Renotex is laid over the wall channel area with overlaps of approximately 1 to 2 inches, and leaving a gap of approximately 1/8 inch to the walls. The fabric can be fixed using Schonox SL, a cement-based rapid drying, smoothing, and finishing compound, which will dry in less than 1 hour. Larger breakouts can also be repaired using Schonox SL. Direct contact to vertical structures, walls, or heating pipes is to be avoided by putting in place an edge strip. Direct contact with metallic constructions can lead to corrosion. Holes and slots are closed to avoid the self-leveling compound from flowing in. Then, Schonox Renotex is applied to the surface. The fabric can be cut with a hook knife. And tools to ensure the required thickness to be installed are also available. Now the substrate is prepared in order to pour the self-leveling compound, Schonox APF. Schonox APF is a fiber-reinforced synthetic gypsum self-leveling compound. It is poured to a thickness of at least 3/8 of an inch, measured at the highest point of the substrate. Using a spike roller with at least 1/4 inch to 1 inch spikes will lead to the best results. The surface is perfectly smoothed for any type of floor covering to be installed. But what is he doing now? Well, at least he's heard about the renovation of cracks, breakouts, and transitions, but in any case, it's doubtful that his renovation work will be anything other than cosmetic. The use of low-quality leveling compounds will likely result in a less than desirable result. During the application, it's clear that this is not a high-quality product. But back to the premium solution. The Schonox Renotex system components are also ideal for the renovation of non-load-bearing substrates. Schonox Renotex saves time and money when deconstruction is neither an alternative nor desired. Using the unique Schonox Renotex system will lead to maximum load-bearing capacity, even at a thickness of only 3/8 of an inch. Conventional systems are incapable of withstanding heavy loads and thus tend to fail not long after application. Through the combined use of Schonox Renotex and Schonox APF, substrates become very flexible and tough. Even extreme loads of more than 2,500 pounds leave no discernible marks. Traditional renovation systems simply do not compare to the strength of the Renotex system and often fail under extreme load capacities. The Schonox Renotex system, the ideal solution to avoid expensive and timely deconstruction. A unique system that will give you the best possible results in critical substrate situations. We'd be pleased to assist you with professional on-site consultation.